What is going on, my fellow YouTubers? Chicken Naz bringing you a video. If you run a lot of tanks, I will tell you, go to Harbor Freight. Get this, and it will make your life simple and the wire will be clean. And because this is what I used to run all my tanks on. If I could get a clear shot here, look at that, all that. To run all these things. Well, some of it. I'm still working on it. I did bought 4, and this is how I did it. On the video you can see it. Not really. But I still need to clean the wires. I need to buy some zip ties so I could zip tie all this so it'll be a lot more cleaner. Also, this one. And it works perfect. It makes one wire, you know where all your power is going, you know which is which. And I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape them, get some blue tape, tape them up, and I'll know which tank is which goes to. And like I was saying, like all these loose wires, they're gonna be zip ties. Also, and then we took you guys back here before, so take you guys behind the scene here. Been cleaning my fish room all day. Also back here, see, you got the walking space here. I also have one here. Before I used to have a bunch of these lined up just to have all my system running. Now I just have one outlet, which is about 4 feet long, 12 plugs. Bam! I still need to go back here and start zip tying some of these stuff to make it more clean, like I was saying. Before I used to have a bunch of wires hanging down right there. So, turtles. And so you need to buy this out of the way. I still need to buy a couple more. See on this one too? See how I had this one down? I'm gonna get one more. I'm gonna put it up here. And maybe less wires. Or more clean wires. So just want to show you guys what I'm doing in the fish room, and I've been cleaning the fish room. Still got a long ways to go. That 135 is still standing there, needs to be resealed. So, but the doors are all insulated too. Other than that, just want to give you guys a short video. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will subscribe to you. Subscribe back to you. These some words here. So, like, share, subscribe. And that this is Chicken Naz brought you a video. Later, guys.